Hi everyone, welcome to my channel moviesnips. Today we're going to be addressing a frequently asked question that a lot of Superman fans have debated over. That is, the location of the planet Krypton in relation to Earth. The short answer to this question is that there is no one answer, since the distance from Krypton to Earth varies depending on what source you go by. In the original Superman movie of 1978, Krypton appears to be much further away from Earth than in any of the other adaptations. If you watch the pod scene towards the beginning of the film, you'll hear voice-recorded instructions from Jor-El, Superman's father, saying that there are 28 known galaxies and that Superman, being an infant at the time, would be passing through 6 of them to reach Earth. It is also mentioned that each of these galaxies have their own unique laws in relation to the space-time continuum. So going by this adaptation, Superman's home planet of Krypton is millions of light years away from Earth, in a distant galaxy far removed from our own Milky Way galaxy. In Mark Waid's Superman Birthright, a 12-issue comic books limited series published by DC Comics in 2003 and 2004, Krypton is located in the Andromeda Galaxy, some 2.5 million light years from Earth. Even though this series is no longer considered canon, it has received stellar reviews from fans. Andromeda is the closest galaxy to our own Milky Way galaxy, but the distance between the two is still an immense distance to traverse. The DC fandom also describes Krypton as being a planet located in the Andromeda Galaxy, more specifically in Space Sector 2813. If you go by some of the other Superman and DC fandoms, Krypton is located much closer to Earth, at about 50 light years away, and orbited a red giant star known as Rao. These sources also describe Krypton as being a planet closer in size to the Earth, as opposed to the much larger giant high-gravity world portrayed in other adaptations. If you go by the estimates in some of the more recent Superman adaptations, including the Man of Steel movie of 2013, Superman's home planet of Krypton is much closer to Earth and is located in our very own Milky Way galaxy, some 27.1 light years away. Prominent astrophysicist Neil deGrasse Tyson has managed to pinpoint the location of Krypton in the southern constellation Corvus, the Crow. Tyson is also the director of the American Museum of Natural History's Hayden Planetarium in New York City. According to Tyson, the planet orbits the red dwarf star LHS 2520, which is cooler and smaller than our sun. His words were, "As a native of Metropolis, I was delighted to help Superman, who has done so much for my city over all these years." Tyson said in a statement, "And it's clear that if he weren't a superhero, he would have made quite an astrophysicist." But what are your thoughts on the speculative distance from Krypton to Earth? If you feel I missed anything or would like to add anything to this discussion, please feel free to comment down below. Please also remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and please check out my channel for more sci-fi lore videos.